Hello friends, welcome to my channel Earning and Growth. In this short video, I am going to show you how you can delete permanently any social media account fully just one click. So this video will help you how you can delete permanently an easy step. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new update. So let's begin to our topic and then see how we can delete permanently our any social media account or any Google account or whatever we want to delete easily. Okay friends, so we need to go the website name justdeleteme.xyz. So as you can see on the screen, just delete me website. Then you can see there the search bar. You can type any account you want to delete. For example, I am just typing here Google, and then here you can see they are showing the information that Gmail, if you want to delete any Gmail permanently, you can see here the information. Click the trash to can next Gmail enter, and then enter your Gmail address. Or if you want to delete the Google account, you can see here the just one click on top. For example, I just click, and then they will bring me directly in the account, and then I sign in and then straight away delete. So like this you can delete any account for and you can see here that if I want to delete my YouTube account also, they are showing the information. You can request your data copy before you delete your YouTube account. So easily you just click on the icon, so it will redirect you, so you can easily delete any account just one click. Okay friends, so hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new update. So let's see you in the next video. Thank you.